2012 Dodge Ram 1500 5.7 liter V8. Still got factory converters there and there. Then it winds into a single 3-inch all the way back. We continued that. We did a muffler delete on it with a wide pipe right there, and put some 4-inch by 18 rolled black tips right there. It just accents the red really nicely, the black tips. There and there, we left the resonators on it. There's the wide pipe and muffler delete like we showed you earlier. Let us know what you guys think in the comments, and we'll have a link to the tips hopefully in the comments. Thank you. 2007 Dodge Ram 2500 5.7 liter heavy duty. What we got done on it for you guys today. Still got the stock converters right there and right there. Then it winds into a 3-inch single. Then we wide it back out to a 3-inch to 2.5-inch tailpipes. Out the sides into 3-inch tips. Right there and right there. We'll let you guys hear it in a minute. Hope you guys like it. There it is. 2013 Dodge Ram Power Wagon 2500 5.7 liter HEMI. Yeah, that was a mouthful. We got stock converters right there and right there, factories. Then we true dualed it, 2.5 straight pipe, all the way back into mandrel bent tailpipes, 2.5 also there and there, with turn downs. You didn't want to see the tips or nothing. You don't see anything when it's on the ground. Be nice and hidden, nice and clean. There she is. We shall let you guys hear it in a minute. Much better. Dodge Ram 1500 4x4. 1 second to again. Sound decibels, go ahead. It's at 109, bro, on the sound decibels. That's awesome. Gotta back it out. Let you guys hear on the inside. Dodges never disappoint. That's the glass back we took off of it. Had single before. Sound decibels on it? Go ahead. Wow. It's like 123. I don't know if you guys saw that. Again? Go ahead. Yeah, the highest was 123. That's awesome. It's too quiet. It needs to be louder.
Yeah. My wife's gonna be super happy.
Yeah. Now it sounds like a power wagon. like it.
Inside the '07 Ram. She sounds pretty.
It's still here. Wow. Power Wagon beast.